Now we would like to invite you to do some nature journaling. So find a track, either take a photo or take your nature journal out with you into the field and draw all the detail you can, using lots of teeny dots to fill in the shadows and the highlights until you get your shape. Now write a few things you notice. For example, this has 5 toes and a long heel. Also write a few things you wonder. Was this from a bear? When did they go by? Then write some things it reminds you of, like a human foot or a Sasquatch. Here's another example. So again, use your stippling and start to draw out all those little spots. Maybe put on some music and take your time with this. Some things I noticed about this one are that it also has 4 toes, no claw marks. The top traps are shallower than the bottom, and the overall shape is round. I wonder what made this track. Was it a house cat? A bobcat? How long ago were they here? Where were they going and why? This reminds me of my own cat's feet. For this one, we're going to draw one of my favorite creatures, sometimes nicknamed the trash panda, also called the raccoon. This would be a good one to find in your neighborhood because they are often in rural and city areas alike. For this one, I notice again it has 5 fingers, no visible claws, and I wonder who made it. And which way were they going? This reminds me of a small baby handprint. Don't feel limited to only mammal tracks. You can also draw birds or snake tracks or even scat.
Now it's your turn. Check out your neighborhood and see what kind of tracks you can find. Practice nature journaling, taking note of what you notice, what you wonder, and what it reminds you of.